We hope you enjoy this Amtico CPD video on specifying luxury vinyl tiles in commercial environments. Amtico International is a progressive, design-led flooring company. Since 2012, it's been part of the family-run Mannington Group, which was established by the Campbell family in 1915 in New Jersey, USA. Both Amtico and Mannington share the common values of commitment to quality, customer service, and innovative product design. As market leaders in the manufacture and design of luxury vinyl tile, or LVT flooring, we strive to be the best in our industry. We're proud of our achievements over the last 50 years and have developed an agile approach to remain an authentic design flooring brand. So, moving on to the next learning objective. Why is LVT suitable for specification in the commercial environment? Floors take more punishment than any other surface in the built environment, yet LVT retains its appearance for a considerable length of time, no matter how tough and prone to wear the location, making it perfect for any commercial application. Now we move on to the installation process, which is straightforward and follows the same guidelines that apply to all quality-resilient tile floors. Subfloors and site conditions should be surveyed and assessed beforehand to check they meet manufacturer's guidelines and national standards. Prior to installing LVT, surface preparation is crucial. Although this in itself depends on the floor construction, there are many products available for this, each differing depending on the applications in hand. For instance, a cementitious smoothing compound should be used on concrete and sand, whereas plywood overlays should be used to prepare chipboard or floorboards. New concrete floors should be cleaned and dried to remove any contamination, such as paint or plaster. Floated concrete floors require abrasion, while any existing coverings, including quarry tiles, mosaic, terrazzo or ceramics, should be degreased and abraded. Asphalt should also be degreased and then primed. Subfloors must be tested for moisture content and relative humidity in accordance with the technical guidelines and BS 8201, BS 8203 and BS 8204. That completes this Amtico CPD presentation on specifying luxury vinyl tiles in commercial environments. You can now take the CPD quiz.